I just thought I'd just do a little bit of filming to see if anyone's got one of these Tuonos and the headlights are misting up with dirt and that. This is how I clean them out. Just a little bit of rag over one of these pipe cleaner thingies. Pull the bung out. I've drilled a 20mm hole in there and I've just got a bung. Shove the pipe cleaner in the cloth and clean away. Now I've already done this, so there's nothing much coming out, but when you first do it you'll find that there'll be loads come out. And that's it. When you're finished, put the bung back in. And if you want to do anything else, and that's it. Done. But you can access the headlamps and all sorts from there. I did it on both sides, so I just thought I'd show people what I do.